Welcome to the battery replacement tutorial for the next generation Smart App Sinewave UPS series. Before you begin, do not replace the battery when the UPS is operating in battery mode. Remove jewelry and other metal objects. Tools aren't needed to replace battery pack in next generation Smart App Sinewave UPS series. If you do use tools, only use tools with insulated handles. Only use replacement batteries certified by CyberPower. The batteries for this UPS series are hot swappable, so it's not necessary to power down the UPS. To start, fully push the latches on both sides of the faceplate to the top to remove the faceplate. Loosen the 3 captive screws on the battery compartment cover and swing open the cover. Disconnect the black connectors. Then, disconnect the black and red connectors from the UPS. Pull on the plastic tags to remove the battery pack. Push the new battery pack into the battery compartment. Reconnect the terminals, red to red and black to black. Reconnect the black terminals. Make sure the connections are secure. Close the battery compartment cover. Tighten the 3 captive screws to secure the cover. Replace the faceplate and push the latches down on both sides of the faceplate to secure. Now that you've completed the battery installation, it's time to test it. You can run a battery test by using the LCD panel. First, press the menu button during line mode to enter the setup menu. Scroll to Self-Test and press the Enter button. Select Yes to start a self-test. The test will run for a few seconds and then return to normal operation. Finally, you should reset the battery replacement date, access the setup menu, and scroll to battery change date. Input the correct date and press Enter to confirm. Tip: you may also run the battery test and reset the battery replacement date by using Power Panel power management software or an installed remote management card. Do not pierce, tamper, or open the batteries. Open batteries could release chemicals harmful to the skin and eyes. Do not dispose of batteries in a fire as they may explode. Follow all local ordinances regarding the proper disposal of batteries. For any additional questions, visit us at cyberpowersystems.com/support. CyberPower, your ultimate ally in power.